At NEIU's Young Adult Literature Conference, you will find new ways to connect with your students and get them to read great books, revitalize your teaching with the latest research-based strategies, and connect with other educators in a professional retreat setting. Teachers, counselors, administrators, and any educators interested in youth-centered books and activities to engage students are invited to NEIU's Young Adult Literature Conference. YAL Conference feature teacher presentations of YAL Conference-inspired units, keynote speakers reflecting contemporary issues, in-depth interactive workshops exploring texts that reflect our students' lives, opportunities for camaraderie with other educators, professional work in a beautiful setting.